Guys, look at this. I built 3D weapons that destroy mobs super easy. Now you can use an image to a 3D generator to make all your own game assets. And it's 100% free to try. So if you're a game developer, you've got to try our 3D generator. It's such a huge help for you. The workflow is super easy. Upload your image, and it spits out a full 3D model in just seconds. You can also use batch generation. Upload multiple images at once, and crank out a whole set of models all at the same time. And these are not just for taking down mobs, by the way. You can make super unique gear to spice up your world. It's all about your creativity and there's no limit. What weapon or item do you want to see next? Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool content. Catch you guys in the next one.